Hey dolls and gents, I am back with a new get ready with me video for you guys. I'm so excited because this is the first video that isn't pre-filmed. I posted a video a few days ago, but I filmed that video in January. This video I filmed today, which is March 2nd. Well, I started filming March 1st and now it's March 2nd because it's 2:35 in the freaking morning. But I wanted to get a new get ready with me video up for you guys. I wanted to do something colorful, something fun, because I feel like I don't do enough color for you guys. And I know some of you hate color, but majority of you are like, girl, we need to see some color, some bold looks. So this is definitely a hot summer look. So this look is for those of you who aren't afraid to rock color, because we got bold eyes and we got bold lips, okay? And I got blush on. So yeah, I went all out for you guys because you know I have a love-hate relationship with blush. So I asked y'all on Snapchat which eyeshadow palette you wanted me to use for today's look, and the majority of you chose the Festival palette from Juvia's Place. I picked this up like a week ago and I'm so happy that I did because these colors are bomb. I use only this palette to create this eyeshadow look, which is crazy for me because I normally pull eyeshadows from a whole bunch of different palettes, but this time I just used this palette even for my highlight. I don't know if you can tell, but there is no highlight shade in this palette, but I made it work. I made it do what it do. So yeah, leave me a comment below letting me know which eyeshadow palette you want me to use for my next makeup tutorial. And the choices are between the Lime Crime Venus XL palettes and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. So I'm so excited about this look. I did yellow liner. This is something different for me. I feel like I don't have any looks like this on my channel. So definitely give your girl a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, definitely click that subscribe button, turn on all your notifications so you know as soon as I post a new video. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm just like rambling and like running over my words because I haven't filmed in so long and I wanted to say so much to you guys, but now that I'm in front of the camera, I'm like scatterbrain, like what am I saying right now? But we're gonna get this together, okay? Your girl needs to start recording more regularly. And yes, as you can tell, I am rocking my natural hair. Y'all ask to see my natural hair all the time. I only rock my natural hair in a bun these days, so it's pretty simple. I have a tutorial on this. I'll link it down below for you guys. But yeah, I don't want to talk too long. If you want to see this full makeup look, then you already know what to do. Stay tuned, guys.
There's no use in looking back. Gotta laugh or gotta live, 'cause I'm so over the past, and I'm living it fast. Underneath the strobe lights, ready for a crazy night. I can hear your heartbeat banging loud like a drum. Let me be your only one. Do you feel what I feel? I'm addicted to the sound. Turn it loud, just make it play. When the love is all around, dream away with the music. Flying higher than the stars, we'll be dancing till the dawn. The night is young, so are we. So close your eyes and set it free. Underneath the strobe lights, ready for a crazy night. I can hear your heartbeat banging loud like a drum. Let me be your only one. Do you feel what I feel? I'm addicted to the sound. Turn it loud, just make it play.
Hundreds on my bed, sexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, sexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. I'm on my bling bling song, yeah. I could do this all day long now. I don't know where I belong now. Tell me where it all went wrong now. Yeah, oh no, no, oh please don't go. I got shows, I'm on the road, I'm headed home, I'm where that at, I don't know. But all these flows make me mad. I got that cold, and what's my goal? To be or not to be, that to be. Making up my mind while I'm puffing on that doobie. When I'm on my own, can't stop thinking about my roomies. Please don't call my phone, can't you see I'm with the rubies? Ruby, Ruby, I got a brand new whip, red and gold, yeah. Hop up in that backseat out there foreign. Don't nobody try some things and call me your opponent. Got a bunch of commas, then I roll up with the Rolex. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hundreds on my bed, sexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, sexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Yeah, I'm licking at my lollipop, and my mama starting to ask me where my money from. And my papa, he gon' call me when that popo come. See me run up on that hill like I'm at Comic-Con. Ooh, when I'm sober, I don't wanna front. Ooh, caught that polo right from mama son. Catching feelings like them buddies you read it on. Straight up off the plane, yeah, I'm running from Babylon. What you planning on? Yeah, hundreds on my bed, sexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, sexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here.
You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my choo-choo-la. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
All these empty faces talking about problems, I don't care. I can't wait till sundown cause my body's aching. I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd feeling heartbeat. Everybody's carefree, everybody's carefree. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd feeling heartbeat. Don't you wanna party? Don't you wanna party? Staying out all night feeling like we're young. Acting like tomorrow will never come. Counting every moment till the weekend comes. I just wanna dance. I just wanna dance, 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 dance.
Thank you all so much for watching this video. I really appreciate all of your continued love and support. I'm so excited. We are almost at 600,000 subscribers. That is crazy. I know that there are many channels that have more subscribers than me, but I am so happy to have each and every one of you guys because I never imagined anyone watching my YouTube videos, because if you watched my first few videos, I had no idea what I was doing. Just sitting in front of the camera, I was scared AF. So I wasn't even myself. I feel like now I can be myself in front of the camera. I'm just so happy to have this platform and to be able to communicate with you guys, to talk with you guys, just everything. I especially love chatting with you guys on Snapchat because we can chat back and forth, and I feel like it's a lot easier to communicate via Snapchat rather than YouTube. So if you're ever like, girl, where are you at? Follow my Snapchat. Link is always in the description box down below. So yeah, I have a new video set up, a new lighting and everything. So hopefully this video turns out bomb, because I feel like my lighting lately has been like it just hasn't been doing anything for me. So that is another reason why I haven't been filming, and I wanted to come back to you guys with my full setup, and I'm pretty excited about it. These lights are stupid bright. Like, I can barely see right now. I'm like blinded by these lights. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any video requests, leave them in the comment section down below, and I will catch you all in my next one. Bye.